Okay, in this video we're solving problem 8 on the final exam review for Math 111. We're using the change of base formula. This is how we evaluate logarithms that are not already on the calculator. If you look at the calculator, we basically have two logarithms. We have log, which is log base 10, and ln, which is log base e. If we're trying to figure out log base 3 of 49, we can't just hit one of these logarithm keys. We have to change its base into one of the two that we have on the calculator, and it can be done on either one of them. So log base 3 of 49 can be written as log of 49 divided by log of 3, or it can be written as ln of 49 over ln of 3. Both should give you the same answer, and let's evaluate that on our calculator just to make sure. So we have log 49 divided by log 3. That's going to be 3.54 approximately. So this one's approximately 3.54 to 2 decimal places. And if we do the other one with the ln's, we better get the same thing. ln of 49 divided by ln of 3. It is the same answer all the way through all the decimals it shows on the calculator. So either one should give you the answer that you're looking for, and that's how we change it from a logarithm we can't evaluate to one that we can. Now we can use that on the graphing calculator to help you graph. So if you're graphing something on a graphing calculator, there's only two logarithms we can use here, log base 10 and ln. But if you had this problem right here where you have log base 2 of x minus 5 and you want to show it on your graphing calculator, what you're going to do is you're going to do this change of base. So you're going to write your f of x in this problem. Instead of saying log base 2, you're going to write it as log base 10 of x minus 5 divided by log of 2, because that's the base. So we're using the log of this value divided by the log of that value, just like we did with numbers. So if you do this division, or you can also write it as ln's log base e of x minus 5 divided by log ln of 2. So either one of those should be able to graph this on your calculator. So let's find the calculator. Here it is. So if we use log, it's log of x minus 5 divided by log of 2. So if we do that, that will give us a graph of the actual thing here. Let's do zoom 6. That's the standard window. Here it is right there. Okay, it moved over 5 units to the right because of the x minus 5. So there's a horizontal asymptote here. You don't see all of the graph. There should be more of it going down. It's just not showing it because it gets to be a vertical line, and it doesn't show vertical lines very well on this calculator. So that would be the graph, except you would have to add some more to this, and this would be going off to the right. Now you can see that by looking at the table. Set up the table. It starts at 0. Okay, that's fine. So let's just look at the table. You're not going to get anything until you get to 6, which is 0. And then that's where your values come into play. You're going to have anything after 5 though. So if I put in the number 5.1, you're going to have a value, or 5.2, or 5.01. Anything after 5 will give you an answer because it's not a log of a negative value. Alright, so that's how you would use change of base to help you graph or to evaluate a logarithm.